Hello friends, it's me AsirFx. Welcome to my channel AsirFx 360. Today I'm very happy because today I get 2000 subscribers in my channel. So I just want to give you a very special thanks to subscribe my channel and take my huge respect to subscribe it and watch my videos. Okay. So I am little bit happy today because I just thought that when I open this channel one day I will get 2000 subscribers, so it's a very big for me. Okay. In this video I'm going to discuss about the market analysis for the next 5 days to Monday to Friday future. In this Monday to next Friday, for this 5 day I am give you analysis for the technical and fundamental also. Okay, so watch this video till the end. I think if you can watch this properly and if you understand everything, you can, it will be very helpful for you for the trading. Okay, so I will, in this video I am going to show you in the three currency basically is EURUSD, GBPUSD and USD JPY. Okay, so basically those three currency is the best for the trading, and another currency is in USD CSF, but USD CSF just alternate version of the Euro USD. Okay, say for example if Euro USD get 10 pips up, USD CSF will go 10 pips down. Okay, so the Euro USD analysis is also work just alternate way in the USD CSF. Okay, so if you do not understand anything, I provide my WhatsApp number. You can call me or you can send me a message or you can text me by the email. I will reply you. Okay, no problem. Okay, so if you do not understand, don't need to worry, just ask me, I will explain everything, no problem. Okay, even you can call me. Okay, you can call me or you can send me a message. When I get some time, then I will reply you. Okay, okay guys, let's begin.
Okay, now I'm in the investing.com and first I click this week news. Okay, now I get all the news of this week from Monday, January 29th to Friday. Okay, so all the, you know that all the three-headed news is the important news for the trading. So first I filter them and just select the important news. Okay, because we don't need to worry about the two-headed and the one-headed news. Okay, I select the three-headed news and click apply. Okay, we can see that Saturday and Monday, in Monday we can see that in Monday there is no three-headed news. Okay, so we can tell that in Monday we do not get too much movement in the market. It's I think Monday is a good day for the scalping. Okay, and you cannot do a long trade in the Monday. And Tuesday is the in 30th January is I think it's a very high trading day because we get a news, three-headed news is CV consumer confidence, and another news in GBP is very important news. It's a BOE government Canary speaks, and it's a very important news for the GBP. Okay, and Australia, if you trade in the Australian AUD market, and it's CPI, so it's not too much important, but for this news market can move 20 or 30 pips. Okay, so CNY we don't trade in Chinese, so we don't need. And the very big news in the 30th January is US President Donald Trump's speak. Okay, so market last weekend we saw that in the technical analysis last 6 week USD is very weak. Okay, so if Donald Trump give a positive speak for the USD, so I think market can go down again and it can take a bearish trend. Okay, so this news is very important for the USD. Okay, and Wednesday, I mean the 31st January, it's also a high trading day, and because there is a news for the euro, German unemployment changes, and it's also a very good news, and very little bit strong, not too much, but it's also a very little bit strong news for the euro. And we also get a CPI and the if in USD we get ADP, non-farm employment change. Friends, it's a very important news for the USD. Okay, so you have to keep it in mind, and just take your mobile and set an alarm for the Wednesday, those big news. So you can it's better if you do not understand the news, you can stop your trading. Okay, so after publishing the news, then you can trade properly. So you have to you can use the reminder for the US president speaks, and the non-farm employment change, and another one. That day there is many news for the USD and FOMC also. Okay, I zoom it. I think FOMC is the very strong news for the USD. Okay, so and that day 31st January we get a huge movement in the market, because that day the previous day we will get a President Donald Trump speak, and after that day we will get the Euro strong news also, and the NF non-farm employment, and the pending home sale, and FOMC news, and another news is crude oil inventories. So and Fed interest rate decision. Oh my God, is that day is a very important day for the trading. Okay, so you have to keep it in mind. Okay, so in 1st February there are just 3 news. One is a German manufacturing PMI. It's not a very big news, but we get a 20 to 30 page movement for this news. And a manufacturing PMI is for the pound, I mean GBP, and another manufacturing PMI for the USD. Okay, so at that day market can move little bit, because previous day in the 31st January market will move huge. So we get some volatility also at the 1st February, but in the last Friday market that day I think also market will move too much, because unemployment rate decision and non-farm payroll. Oh my God. Okay, so in this week I think is a very high volatile market for the trading, because there are very big news at that week. So one is, you can see that non-farm payroll also, and there Fed interest rate decision also. So I think this week will be a very strong week for the trading, because at that week there are many big news we get in the for the Euro, USD, and the GBP, but there is no big news for the JPY. So I think now market can be changed for the GBP USD JPY, because if Donald Trump speaks some positive for the USA, so market will go up. So now I'm showing you the Euro USD support and resistance. Okay, so we can see that in the market we have a daily resistance 1, and daily support 1, daily support 2, and daily support 3. So our next resistance at the 1.2497. Okay, so 1.2497 is our next resistance for the Euro USD, and our pivot point is 1.2430. So pivot point is not very important for the trading, but support and resistance is too much important. So our first resistance at the 1.2497, and our second and our first support it is 1.2323. okay, so you have to keep it in mind. In daily candle we have a resistance and a support. Okay, so yeah, so when this candle will touch the resistance point or support point, there is a possibility to market can go reverse. Okay, so if a candle come there, okay, I draw a line. If market go, okay, if market go there and touch this line, okay, if if it cross, then you can you can understand that market will go more up. Okay, or if it's touch and go again return, so there is a possibility to market again come to that point, okay, because there is a support. Either if market directly go back to this point and this point, and if market go return, then it will touch our resistance point, or if it cross that line, then there is a possibility to market directly go to the support too, okay. So this is all about the EURUSD. You can see that it's December candle, sorry, it's a January candle, and this one is for the December and it's November. So last 3 months it's also in the buying position, okay. So this is the that's why we can take a decision that now market in the buy mood, okay. So you have to always follow the trend of the market. So now I am GBPUSD daily candle. So we get a support, we get one support 1, support 2, and support 3, and resistance 1, and is a daily pivot, okay. So our next resistance for the GBPUSD is 1.4301, and the next support is 1.4039, okay. So you have to remember that market in the buying mood, and if a market go to upside, and okay, I draw it, then you can understand. So now market is in that position. So if market go there, it's touch. If it cross it, then market will go more up. Either if it go down, and then it will touch to the daily support 1, okay. Or if first if it come down and touch it, and if it doesn't cross this line, it will go up. If it can cross it, then market will go to our support 1, okay. So in EURUSD and GBPUSD, both currency in the buying trend. In USD JPY, now I'm going to the day candle. So we can see that, okay, I little bit zoom it. Okay, we in USD JPY we get 3 resistance and 1 support, okay. Resistance 1, resistance 2, and resistance 3, and we get support 1, okay. I zoom it, then you can understand this thing very clearly, okay. In the USD JPY, our next support is, okay, our support is already cross, okay. So USD JPY already cross our support, okay. So if at that position, so if a market now at that position, if market go there and it cannot cross this line, market will go more down, okay. So I think and our resistance is too much up at that position. It's 110.80, but our it's already crossed our support 1. That means now this support 1 is work as like a resistance, okay. So I can say that our if market go up, then our next resistance is 108.87, okay. So you have to keep it in mind. The USD JPY market now in the downtrend also, you can see that we have a last 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16 17. So last 17 days continuously market in the downtrend, okay. So you have to keep it in mind, okay. So I think you should avoid last few days the next few days to about the USD JPY, because I think it's in the little bit confusion mode, because if I zoom it out all the candle, it's a very low position, okay. So now it's a very low position, so anytime market can reverse. So you can see that it's in very low, okay. I zoom it out, then you can see the market clearly. So you can see that it's almost September in market was at that position, okay, then market reverse, okay. So now market is also at that position, okay. So we can see that in September 13 market was there, or not maybe 13, it was maybe 12 or 11. Okay, it's 11. Okay, so September 11th market was there, and at that moment market take a buy trend. Okay, so now USD JPY is also at that position. Okay, so anytime market can take a buy trend. Okay, so it's better you wait 2 or 3 days and just follow the market what is happening, and after when you will get a confirmed signal from your indicator or your support and resistance, then take a order. Okay, and our first resistance is the first support is was 108 and 0.87, but market crossed that position, and our second support is 108.07. okay, so now market can, if market go down, then our next target is 108.07. okay, so you have to keep in mind. So this is all about our technical analysis. Every week I will upload this kind of video before starting the week of this analysis, and if you can follow this analysis and this video, and you will get an idea what is happening in the market and what can be happened. Okay, so I think you understand everything. Okay, if you have any question, you can ask me by the comment box or email or WhatsApp or by the Facebook, no problem, I will reply you. And if you like this video, please subscribe my channel and click a thumbs up for this video, and click the bell icon for the notification, because if you click the bell icon, then when I upload a video you will get the notification. Okay guys, bye, have a good